Hi there, students. Let's look at some phrasal verbs with breeze. Breeze. Okay, well, first of all, a breeze is a light wind, a small wind. But notice very often we use this word breeze to say something was really easy. The exam was a breeze. The interview was a breeze. It was very easy. And this gives the basic meaning for many of our phrasal verbs. For example, to breeze in or to breeze into. He breezed into the room. He came in very casually. Yeah, to breeze into an event, to enter with a calm, carefree attitude. Yeah, the student breezed into the lesson 20 minutes late. Yeah, so as if there was nothing wrong with coming 20 minutes late to class. Well, I guess if he's got an excuse. To breeze out, to leave a place, but in a happy, carefree manner. So he breezed into town and spent a few weeks here and then breezed out of town. Okay, so to go in or to go out. Yeah, but this happy, casual way. To breeze through. He breezed through his exams. He passed them easily. To go through an experience without any problems. To get through something quickly and easily. I breezed through the work. We breezed through the check-in and security stations at the airport. Yeah. Okay, so to do it easily without any problem. Maybe to breeze past. So I guess the runner breezed past his competitors. He was still full of energy. In the race, about halfway through, he was towards the back, but suddenly he increased his pace and breezed past all of the competitors to overtake, but easily, without any problem. I guess in a meeting, somebody could breeze past your concerns, breezed past your ideas, to pass them by as if they were nothing. Yeah, to just easily go by them. And there again, it still has the same idea. Okay, I guess to breeze along. Our journey was going well and we were breezing along when suddenly the car had a flat tire. Okay, so I think all of these are intransitive. He breezed in. He breezed into the room. I guess the room is an indirect object there. So any objects that you're going to put need to go at the end, because I think these are all intransitive. They don't take a direct object. And then to breeze, a regular verb. Breezed, breezed, breezed. Notice all of these are rather informal. I think I would probably give these 3.5 to 4. Use in an informal conversation, definitely. A semi-formal conversation, just about, but no more than that. And then as to origin, well, the origin of the word breeze, let's see, there's a Middle English word, bress, meaning a wind, and it probably comes from Germanic, some sort of Germanic source. There's a Dutch word, bries, meaning a breeze, yeah, or even a Spanish word, brisa, as well. Okay, so effectively breeze with a preposition, to do something without any problem. He breezed up and said hello, and then he breezed off again, walked off casually. Yeah, he was supposed to be helping us, but he breezed off without telling anybody that he was going, left casually and easily as if it was nothing. So, a few phrasal verbs with breeze. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To breeze in, to breeze out, to breeze through, breeze past, breeze up, breeze off.